So, hi Dharmesh.
Hi, Vishal.
We have a new IPL winner this time.
Yes, the Virgin IPL players, both teams
नहीं,
finally lost their virginity.
कुछ players ने तो जीता था इन टीमों से.
हाँ, अलग से, but as a franchise,
As a franchise, yes, yes.
you know, both had the chance, but one got it. But it was a good match. I thought
Yes, yes.
it was well contested. Obviously, Punjab somewhere lost the plot. Uh, right in the beginning, also they made a few errors. I think for a final, the score was a little above par. Like IPL में generally लोग बोलते हैं 200 पार, but final में नहीं होना चाहिए.
Final में 170 तक होता
हाँ,
है, and I think
because pressure आता है आपके ऊपर.
yes, RCB was above par, and that kind of helped them.
Yes.
But I think the two best teams made it to the final.
Yes.
The two best teams of this year
This
made
year.
it to this year's finals, and अब आरसीबी को AI generated picks पे IPL ट्रॉफी उठाने का जरूरत नहीं है.
जरूरत नहीं पड़ती.
अब उनके पास भी एक एक्चुअल पिक्चर है ट्रॉफी के साथ.
No, long awaited, obviously, that was there. I was a bit disappointed, not disappointed, but I thought it was not so fair because I think the entire limelight was hogged by Virat Kohli and people around him and stuff like that. Thoda sa I missed Rajat Patidar being showcased or at least, interviewed properly or something. वो पूरा वो last 2 ball के पहले से he started crying, तब से कैमरा उसी पे था. Virat Kohli he started crying. Just 2 balls were to go still.
I know, yes.
तो उसको realize हुआ कि हम जीत गए और वो तभी से वो ठीक है. That was an emotional moment for him and I can understand that feeling and all. But for the cameras to completely after that only follow him because then he went out वो अनुष्का के साथ उसका फिर रवि शास्त्री. But अरे भाई the whole team has won. एक बंदा नहीं जीता है.
But this came 2011 World Cup syndrome that Gautam Gambhir keeps talking about.
Yes.
The Star Sports broadcast team wants to hype up one player, and the story of Rajat Patidar is equally, if not more, inspiring. एक 22 के injured player replacement से लेके आप captain बन के IPL जीत रहे हो. It's a big thing. Also, a lot of Bangalore boys were there, local Bangalore boys. This win is for Bangalore.
Yes.
तो दो चीज मैं बोलूंगा. एक तो the Bangalore, it's also one of the most loudest fan bases. कभी-कभी they make you cringe, but Bangalore का जो fan base है, it's one of the most loyal, most passionate fan base. So
pretty close to Chennai, pretty close to same culture, God culture,
But Chennai जीता है, Bangalore कभी नहीं जीता है. तो टीम को सपोर्ट करना बड़ी बात नहीं है.
Yes.
सबसे loyal fan base है. And I must compliment the owners. It's not easy. आप देखो दो भाई रोहित शर्मा को सेमीफाइनल में आने के बाद निकाल दिया था कि सिर्फ कब नहीं जीता इसलिए. 6-time IPL winner as a player, 5-time IPL winner as a captain को कैप्टनसी हटा दिया बिकॉज वो थर्ड आया. जो ये कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस है इस लीग में वर्सेस एक टीम जो कभी जीती ही नहीं 18 साल से. For the management to be this patient, I think it's very appreciable, and therefore I thought, like you rightly pointed out, along with Rajat Patidar, even the local boys should have been hyped up a bit more post the match.
Local boys and other players actually final जिताने में कृणाल पंड्या का बहुत बड़ा हाथ था. Those 2 wickets he took and the dot balls, boss. Finals में अगर आप 4 ओवर डालते हो और उसमें से 12 डॉट बॉल डालते हो, अब 2 very crucial and important wickets भी लेते हो. I mean, he got the man of the match, but again, nowhere in the limelight, nowhere in the
4 over 17 for 2 is the reason RCB won. Only reason, if you ask me.
Absolutely.
And what Vadara did for TBS.
If you look at it in terms of bowling, Hazelwood को तो last over में 21 रन पड़ गए थे, 23 रन पड़ गए थे. So bowling तो
it was very close.
हाँ.
कमर वहीं टूटी 4 ओवर 17 पे 2.
Yeah.
वहीं टूटी पंजाब की. Otherwise they I thought they didn't lose hope. They lost the plot in the middle itself, but they didn't lose hope.
Yes. And I think they made a mistake by not sending Marcus Stoinis above. I think maybe 2 players before he could have come after 3 down only.
यस,
ना आ सकता था वो,
उसको
अगर
टाइम मिलता, सेट हो जाता और
सेट हो
मार
जाता और वो मार देता। उसने आते पहले एक छक्का मारा, सेकंड बॉल पे आउट हो गया, क्योंकि वो देयर वाज नो अदर ऑप्शन, ही हैड टू कीप ऑन स्विंगिंग।
yes.
अगर उसको वो मिल जाता ना थोड़ा सा प्लेटफॉर्म, he would have won the cup for them. I think they missed the trick over there by not promoting him.
Also, the point that IPL is the most competitive league in the world, I think, is fairly proven. कि RCB जैसे मैनेजमेंट which have always opened up their purse strings, उनको 18 साल लगा जीतने में. It clearly proves it's one of the most competitive, the most fiercest cricket leagues in the world. Now, without a doubt, it puts India at the epicenter of cricket and a clearly global superpower in terms of cricket.
Absolutely, absolutely. There is no other league. I mean, there are so many. Big Bash है, PSL का तो मतलब नाम भी नहीं आता कहीं. But I'm saying England has its own T20 thing.
बांग्लादेश प्रीमियर लीग है,
हाँ,
करेबियन लीग है, साउथ
Caribbean है, अफ्रीका में है. But I think IPL by
not
far,
a match on IPL.
not a bash, not a bash. Not in terms of the way it is produced and the way it is, you know, put out there. Not in terms of the fan following. मतलब किसी भी लिहाज में हम IPL is like the best. So there is जो जितना पैसा यहाँ पे you know बहता है, literally बहता है, nowhere else.
Virat also, but I think still happy for Virat. I think वो बहुत सालों से तड़प रहा था इस ट्रॉफी के लिए. Good on him that he got it.
Yes.
He made a point though. I don't know if you noticed. It is still 5 levels below Test cricket. I don't know. Was he eased out? Was he nudged out of the team? Because वो कहीं वो कमेंट ऐसा लग रहा है कि
वो दिल पे लगा है उसको तो वहां से आए हो.
I think even in his case he was seeking guarantees for England जो कुछ देने को तैयार नहीं था. कि 2 टेस्ट मैच के बाद भी मैं नहीं खेला तो मुझे कंटिन्यू करना होगा. I think कहीं ना कहीं there is something happened in that test setup. Nonetheless, I think he can go back happy that as far as limited overs cricket is concerned, जैसा वो बोलते हैं आजकल, he has completed cricket.
Yeah,
50 over World Cup, 20 over World Cup, Champions Trophy, IPL, सब कुछ जीत गया. That is there to win.
yes.
In Test also, I mean, ऑस्ट्रेलिया को तो हराया ही है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, इंग्लैंड को हराया, बट वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप नहीं जीता है.
But to be frank, I don't know if he's satisfied. It's good for him. I mean, as a sports person, you decide how hungry you are. But I would think that listen, there is somebody sitting over there जिसने 5 बार जीता है, जिसने 6 बार जीता है, you know. तो आपका हंगर कितना, अभी आप एक जी के खुश हो गए तो अच्छी बात है, मतलब nothing wrong with it.
For him now, it's more about completing, ticking the boxes. That ये भी जीत गए.
But वो तो अभी धोनी ने भी वर्ल्ड कप भी जीता है ना. वर्ल्ड कप तो रोहित ने भी जीता है और साथ में दूसरे 6 आईपीएल भी जीते हैं. So
रोहित ने 50 ओवर नहीं जीता है.
50 ओवर नहीं, so that's what I'm saying. धोनी ने 50 ओवर जीता है ना. So I'm saying आप कितने हंग्री हो और आप, because it's, see, this is a competitive sport. Finally you compete, right?
Yeah.
Even amongst your peers also you compete कि मैं इससे इतना better कैसे करूँ. Not in a bad way, but there is a competition. There's a healthy competition. At the end of the day, you will always say कि भैया आपने, why people are counting that, oh तुमने 100 मारे या नहीं मारे या 50 मारे.
पर उन्होंने कम, जैसे रोहित ने सिर्फ 8 साल की कप्तानी में इतने सारे कप जीत लिए.
Yes, yes.
We must also understand Rohit has been captain IPL में भी सिर्फ 8 साल और even in Indian cricket तो hardly 2-2.5 साल. तो जो सब उसने अचीव कर लिया वो 2-2.5 साल में ही कर लिया.
Correct.
I mean, तो वो लिहाज से yes, you're right. Maybe he should want more.
Yeah, and he's fit. I mean, if he thinks that मैं जब तक धोनी खेल रहा है उतने एज तक मैं भी खेलूंगा, he probably has a chance to win 3 more, 4 more. Yeah. If he does well.
But overall, I think it's going to be crazy today in Bangalore. I think they're going to do a open bus rally or something like that. वो लोग जा रहे हैं वहाँ लेके. वो Bombay style. And I'm sure it's going to be absolutely crazy. Looking forward to seeing that on the screens. Overall, I think it was a great IPL. India continues to amaze with the kind of talent they possess. I think Indian cricket is in absolutely safe hands. कुछ नहीं होने वाला है इंडियन क्रिकेट को किसी के रिटायरमेंट से. I think we need to now move on. अभी सीधा अभी टेस्ट सीरीज के बारे में next episode we should analyze what
is going to
Yes.
happen how. And I think IPL khatam, chapter close.
Yes. And Joe Root is displaying some very interesting form in the in the West Indies
Yes.
ODI series. Is already in full gear.
Yes.
So India, I think, has a task on their hand. So we'll catch up soon.
We'll
Let's catch up on the second unofficial test match between India and England.
Yes. The
India,
first one was quite interesting.
interesting, yes.
Nair ne double century maar diya. I think there was some 150 score from their side also. So we'll talk about all that in the next episode.
Yes.
Hi, Vishal.